Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iqmal Farhan. I am from class Meteorology BBM 40202, lectured by TS Saiful Hadi bin Masran. So this is going to be presentation for assignment 2. So my team consists of four people. The first one is Ahmad Tamizi bin Nawai. Second is me and myself, Muhammad Iqmal Farhan bin Muhammad Rashidi, Muhammad Aslam bin Salam, and last but not least, Muhammad Aiman Zakwan bin Muhammad Fauzi.
Okay, for the introduction, measurement is a calibration, the process comparing the measurement of a device to know the standard adjusting it necessary and ensure accuracy. This is done ensure that the device being calibrated to providing the measurement that are within the specific tolerance and that traceable to a national international standard. Calibration is important. It's a including manufacturing, laboratory science, and metrology to ensure the measurement are accurate and reliable. So, for the installation, we explain about what is the calibration. Is important to the all industry that we use the calibration to as the standard calibration like SI unit. So calibration is important to the all equipment at industry or any part of the equipment. So next, it's the background of company. So the company we choose is the Alpha Position Turning Engineers established at 1985. We are the slogan is we are the nation leading the CNC machine company, providing the high mix low volume position and complex turn mill and milling operation with the exotic materials such as nickel alloy, monel, inclinal super Doppler, and Nitronic and titanium. So the company is provide the CNC like milling, lathe, and turning. So we choose that company because the QA or quality QA and QC is the important in this company because we they collaborate the tool like part of the machinery as soon as the Vernier Caliper. Next, purpose. The purpose of using a Vernier caliper for a measurement calibration is to ensure that the device provides accurate the position, the measurement of the line, diameter, or depth. Calibration, a Vernier caliper involves comparing its reading to be a known standard, such as a squash block or the position steel rule, and adjusting is necessary to bring a reading into agreement with the standard. So the purpose this we choose the Vernier caliper because Vernier caliper is a uh, part of the equipment that we use at the industry and very important equipment to calibrate the all material in industry. Okay, so next objective. This objective is achieved by comparing the reading of the Vernier caliper to be a known standard and adjusting it necessary to bring a reading element with a standard. The standard use of calibration is used traceable the national and international standard, which ensure that the calibration accurate and reliable. Once the caliper is calibrated, it can be used to measure a wide range of the dimension and high accuracy and repeatability, which is a crucial in the many manufacturing laboratory inspection application. So in this part, I will be explain the concept and measurement instrument. So the concept is the calibration process digital Vernier caliper, being the comparing the measurement taken by digital caliper. The process repeated until the measurement are consistent with a standard. The digital Vernier caliper is considered to be a calibrate and can be used the measurement with a high degree accuracy. So the measurement instrument there are two types. The Vernier caliper is traditional mechanical Vernier caliper and digital Vernier caliper. That's digital Vernier caliper is work similar way, but the measurement are taken using electronic sensor which the send measurement digital display. Some digital Vernier caliper is also the capability to store and transfer the measurement data to the computer or the other device. After that, it's the function analytic balance. A Vernier caliper is a precision measurement instrument that is used to the measure distance between two opposite side of the object. It consists of the main scale and the Vernier scale. The main scale fits a graded millimeter and or inch. The Vernier scale is sliding scale that move along the main scale is the graded smaller increment, typically hundreds and millimeter thousand and of the inch. This the function analytic balance about the Vernier caliper that we explained at this slide. Okay. After that is problem and constraint. They have three or four like battery life, environment factor, calibration, quality control. This is the problem that we happen at the measurement. If the battery life is not longer to at the equipment, that we the power is not can be display a good and environment factor like temperature change and humid can be effect to the calibration. After that, calibration like the digital Vernier caliper is like the regular accuracy calibrate, but at the same time consume that the many specialist equipment. So like this is type of the problem and constraint if you want to make a measurement. Okay, so after that, this is the method of recording reading using measurement. So they have four type of the method. First step is to prepare instrument, measure the object, line up the scale, and reading the measurement. This is the method how to get a good reading and accuracy. The numbers of the digit at the Vernier caliper. So the method can be used at the industry and people want to calibrate any object like a product or anything. That that's so.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Ahmad Namizi. I will present the method of the instrument monitoring in an industry. In the industry, um, instrumental monitoring method for the vernier caliper typically include the use of the precision measure equipment such as a micrometer and their indicator to check the accuracy of the caliper. In this slide, you can see the nine of method to instrument monitoring the caliper. First is calibration. Number two is maintenance. Number three is temperature monitoring. Number four, vibration monitoring. Number five is process control. Number six is coordination monitoring. Uh, Number seven is real-time monitoring system. Number eight is Kanda system, and the last is quality controls. Okay. For the next slide is a measurement calculation method. There are 7 steps to measure and calculate the calibration of the vernier caliper. First is obtain a set of gauge block with the known thickness. Number two is set the vernier caliper to zero position by adjusting the thumb wheel so that the vernier scala line up with the main scala. Number three is measure the thickness of the first gold gauge block using the vernier caliper by placing the gold gauge block between the jaw and adjusting the caliper to the fit snugly. Number 4 is compare the measurement to the known thickness of the gold gauge block. Number 5 is adjusting the thumb wheel until the match the known thickness. Number 6 is repeat the step 3 to 5 for the remaining the gold gauge block and adjusting the thumb wheel as necessary. And the last is record the final calibration setting to ensure the accurate measurement in a feature.
Measurement configuration method in accordance with ISO 17025 standard. 1. Preparation. The necessary calibration equipment including appropriate measuring standard should be prepared and checked before calibration is performed. 2. Calibration process. Measure with a digital vernier caliper that want to be calibrated on the appropriate measurement standard and record the result. Repeat this process as many times as necessary to obtain reliable result. 3. Data analysis. Analysis the calibration result and ensure that they meet the condition specified in the equipment specification. 4. Calibration report. Create a calibration report that states the calibration result, data analysis, and conclusion. 5. Maintenance. Calibration equipment should be well maintained and checked periodically to ensure the required stability and accuracy. Determine the instrument calibration stability. Some way to determine the stability of a digital vernier caliper are: first, comparison with a measuring standard; 2. Comparison with the same equipment; 3. Comparison with the different equipment; 4. History test; 5. Test consistency. The frequency used to determine the measuring instrument. The frequency of measuring instrument for digital vernier caliper is actually determined by the manufacturer and can vary between manufacturers. First, the commonly used frequency for digital vernier caliper 0.01 mm or 0.005 inch. And 2. Digital vernier caliper will differ by no more than 0.01 mm or 0.005 inch from the actual value. 3. Higher price frequency compared to normal vernier caliper because they use digital technology to measure.
So for my part is report for calibration or calibration certificate. This is the most crucial part because every calibration that has been done must have calibration certificate. This certificate will be published after every calibration test to make sure it is well maintained. So to make sure every tools that has been calibrated is well maintained. So the next one is contains details and method uses for the calibration to check on parameters, actual measurement and uncertainty in the tools. In conclusion, every tools that has been used in industrial have their pros and cons. So in our part for the digital vernier caliper, it is an innovative product for industrial use because the old vernier caliper maybe has more cons than this one have. So the next one is easy. This digital Vernier Caliper will ease people to use as a measurement tools. And last but not least, people can work efficiently in the industrial side.